Yes, hello Ka-Weekend. So we now are unboxing the 100 ml light or headlight, car restorer. So we have the manual, the Takore. This is for the grit for the sanding paper. And what else do we have? Yes, we do have the power cord. This is good because it's only 60 watts and at 12 volts. It's not really much. This would help the mini kettle. You plug it there, and then once it evaporates, it will take effect. Of course, the nozzle of the kettle, I mean the mini kettle. So you need to actually place that one there. So di ko lang alam masyado ang procedure kasi hindi ko na binasa. And this chemical headlight renovation, we don't really know what is inside of this blue can, but it's a blue liquid. Just make sure na you are covering your nose when you're applying this particular chemical later. So yun lang, and they have included some sandpaper, but I started at 800 and then finish it up at 2000 grit. Alright, yes, as I've said, meron siyang kasamang mga um, grit or sanding paper, and also some sort of tape na kailangan mong makuha. So uh, this is it. We're gonna start with the 800 grit na um, papel, diliha in Tagalog, and some dry cloth and water. Later on, I'll switch on spray. Um, by the way, hindi kasama yung 2000 grit na sanding paper, so I managed to purchase it in Ace Hardware, which I think this would be good. So I've done the preparation, taped the sides of the bumper and everything, kasi it would be very hard na you are sanding tapos madamay pa yung paint ng car. So this is gonna be a wet application. So just some are like, if you apply the sanding paper parang circular or something like that, but as you can see at 800 grit, there you go, diba? Kitang kita na yung yellow ng headlight ko is being removed or something like that. So I'm not sure kung ano yung grit ng papel, or sorry, direction ng sanding paper, but you can do a circular or straight motion. So isang uh, way is to make sure na even ang pagka-distribute or pagka-sand, kasi pag hindi, mahirap kasi there will be yellowish parts na hindi kaya ng chemical na tone down, or for whatever word that is, I don't know, but yeah. So I started with this, and the good thing about having a wet application is at least hindi masyadong coarse yung application ng sanding paper. So with the magic of editing, so I'm just gonna forward this and make sure that everything is covered. So I'm just making sure that everything is being covered, na we were sanding everything down. So please be aware na hindi tayo professional. So this is DIY, right? Kasi if you're going to send this to uh, Talyer or something like that, this could cost you easily 600 to 1,200 pesos, which I believe the price for this particular combo kit restoration is only about um, 400 plus to 500. So yeah, so tamang hagod lang. As you can see, there's a lot of, kasi matagal na itong hindi nalinisan eh. So that's why it's like this. So anyway, as I've said, I'm gonna forward this one basically to the next clip para mas madali tayo. Alright, so tapos na tayo sa 800 grit. As you can see, parang, di ba, blurry na siya, hindi na yellow. Nawala na yung mga yellow parts of it. So this time around, it's applying the 2000 grit, I believe, para at least mapadapa or mapasmooth niya yung 800 na ginawa natin kanina. So right after this, you need to make sure na clean yung surface, kasi at saka importante din na dapat from wet to dry. So as you can see, ito na yung finished product, no? Just make sure na pantay, pero as I've said, DIY lang to. We're not expert or professional about this. Sorry, 800 pa pala yun. So this time around, we are doing the 2000 grit now. So hopefully, hindi hopefully, mapapadapa talaga ng 2000 ng 800. So same application din. Just need to make sure na pantay at saka smooth yung pagkagawa. So I'll forward this para mas madali tayo hanggang I'm excited din to show you guys kung ano yung effect ng magic na restorer na to, na parang evaporation lang ng chemical ang ginagamit. So alright. Ayan, tapos na. So don't worry about na medyo cloudy yung headlight pagkatapos ng 2000 na sandpaper. Basta make sure lang na wipe it dry, talagang malinis, tsaka walang tubig, kasi pag may tubig hindi siya pwede na ma-coat o ma-tone down ng chemical. Right, so yan, I would suggest after drying, clean it a bit more, and aside from that, make sure na at least pantay. Again, DIY lang to, so it's not gonna be perfect, but you will see soon kung paano siya nilalagyan. So ito na yung mini kit to, nilagyan ko ng tape, tsaka nandyan na rin yung blue chemical na galing sa packaging. 1/4 lang ang nilagay ko, hindi naman masyadong madami, kasi sayang naman pag maraming natatapon pagkatapos ng process. So ito na yun. Try to as much as possible, mali yung angle ng camera, sorry ha, pero kailangan mo munang painitin. So what happens is yan, pag uminit na, di ba, nag-evaporate yung chemical. So yun yung mangyayari. As you can see, yung blurriness na ginawa ng grit na 800 at 2000 is parang tinutunaw niya, right? So tingnan nyo naman yung areas na blurry, tapos yung area na tinutunaw ng chemical or whatever this chemical may be. As I've said, kailangan mong mag-mask kasi parang tawag nun, yung alcohol base, of course, para siyang acetone So hindi ko lang alam kung talagang acetone to or what not, no. So, madali lang naman siyang i-apply. Importante lang na hindi masyadong mahangin. Kasi pag mahangin, syempre, di ba, hindi masyadong tumatapat yung evaporation ng chemical sa ginagawa mo. So, there you go, di ba? Oh, malinis na ang headlight, di ba? And we will change to this one. Ito din para at least makita nyo. See? So parang tinutunaw niya yung yung blurriness or yung ginawa ng 800 tsaka 2000 na paper, sandpaper. So the thing is, mura lang to at about 400 to 500, 468 yata nabayaran ko sa Shopee. I'll just include the link later. And well, this is not a new discovery. Sinubukan ko lang kasi nakita ko din sa YouTube. So parang lang, gaya-gaya putumaya. Hindi, DIY talaga. I mean, 'di ba? How would you know na a product is working if you were not gonna try it? And the same time if hindi mo ma-experience, diba? So as you can see, diba, parang bumalik sa bago, pero of course hindi talaga mababalik sa bago yan. I mean, there's a quite different. Tingnan nyo tong isa, hindi ko pa na na trabaho, ma-prep ko lang. And the thing here is this is how dirty it is before applying. Ito yung left side, driver side. Sorry, natrabaho ko na pala to and hindi ko na pinakita kasi it's the same process lang naman. So as you can see, it's really working, no? It's really working, and I was personally amazed na ganito lang pala pag clean ng headlight. Pero as to like how many months this will stay this way, hindi pa natin alam. So we will get back on that soonest time na bumalik sa pagka-yellow, and I will update you guys sa comment below. Paki-comment nga, by the way, kung ano yung ginagawa or ano yung ginagamit ninyo na restorer for your headlight. Bumibili ba kayo ng chemical or nag-DIY ba kayo, or you prefer na yung mga talyer or professional ang gumagawa sa mga ganitong bagay? As you can see naman, I paid some before around 700 pesos, which is I think 375 per light, which is hindi naman nagtagal, mga siguro 6 months lang. Tapos bumalik agad. Some also have suggested na lagyan ng clear coat, pero I'm not sure. Ito lang muna kasi ito lang naman yung available na material sa atin. And as I've said, DIY lang to, and it's cheaper at your own time. Mas maganda din na siguro magbasa ng manual. Hindi ko na binasa kasi nakita ko na to kung paano ilagay, paano yung process ng pag-sanding, tsaka ano yung distansya ng evaporating na kettle. So yeah, ang ginawa ko after this, binalik ko na lang yung chemical sa can container niya. Hindi naman siya siguro wala naman siguro expiry. Yun, malalaman natin if you can still use it a couple of months or hopefully years from now. Hopefully, crossing my fingers. So if you have learned na nasayahan kayo dito, kindly subscribe, like, and share, and comment kung meron kayong mas better na paraan. So ito na yung resulta. That's the driver's seat na headlight, and then this is the passenger seat headlight. So yeah, thank you so much, and until next time, you have a wonderful day and stay blessed.